Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add music to your Canva video from YouTube's audio library. So first, open your browser and search here for YouTube audio library. Click on the first link and explore the free music track available. You can even preview songs and use filter to find the perfect one. Once you have chosen the track, hit the download button and you will see that your audio will download it into your explorer. Now go back to your Canva project and in the left hand panel you will see the uploads button. So you just have to click on that. Here you will see the upload files option. So you just have to open it and this will open your file explorer. Now go to download and select the song you have just downloaded and hit the open button. Now you will see that your video is uploaded in Canva. Now you just have to drag it and drop the track into your video timeline. Something like this. Adjust the video audio if you needed, and that's it. You have just added free YouTube music to your Canva video. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.